tell me what those are. Tell me what each one of them is.
It's a screw and this is a wrench.
What about the other ones?
This is another wrench.
Yeah,
Right.
there's one on each side, isn't there?
I love this tool party. This is a hammer and this is a saw.
What are we gonna do with all those?
I put and get cook with it.
We're gonna cook with them. We're gonna make the stuff for your party. Are you excited about your pool party? Are you excited?
Luther, how old are you gonna be?
He's too amused with the cookie cutters. Luther, how old are you gonna be?
Gonna beat you up. Gonna beat you up.
Are the tools beating each other up? I think the hammer might win that competition.
He's gonna beat him up. I'm gonna beat you up. Oh.
Pearl, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'll beat you.
Are you eating your bread? Ooh, Luther's using the saw to saw the table. Okay. You might need to stop that. I think you're actually sawing into the table. Luther? Stop. Thank you.